get ready to sail the skies and climb the clouds. Getting this launcher ready isn't easy. And those wing gliders are almost here. Still need to put the wings in place. Can't have a wing glider without wings.
Hiccup.
When these wings are in place, you'll fly and see what
It's like Florida.
Good.
Toothless. You know what you call a wing glider without wings? Trouble. This is terrible. We need help. Hang on. Abandon ship. And on your left, you'll see some bronco eggs, which are well known to explode when they hatch. But don't worry, they only hatch in exactly these conditions at exactly this time of year. Which means that stopping here would be a really bad idea. Oh boy. Hold on tight. The fire wasn't just for this.